Hey guys, it's Bobby here, and welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020 Tips series. So today I'm going to talk about tip number 15, how to optimize your video. So if you guys heard of SEO, search engine optimization, then stay tuned because I'm going to go over my little tips and tricks on how to optimize your current YouTube videos. Before that, let's preview, go over what I went through on tip number 14 yesterday, right? It's regarding B-roll footage, okay? That could be simply just experimenting with text overlay, right? To emphasize your videos, or including images just like thumbnails like this, or just including another clip of video and to make your video more engaging, right? To retain that watch retention time. All right, so the next tip, like I said, is tip number 15, optimizing your video. So what does that mean? Well, think about your title when you're making your title, right? When you're making your description and your YouTube tags, video tags, right? So while you create that and while you type that, you have to think of the 1 to 3 main words, right? Phrases that your video is all about. And you should have done this in the research on the previous step, right? So say how to grow YouTube in 2020. Okay, so you got to make sure that keyword, right, is in your title, in your description, and in your tags. I'm not saying keyword stuffing, meaning just copy and paste like 10 times. No. In the description, you want to be like, I am gonna go over how to grow a YouTube channel in 2020, right? And then you're gonna talk about the tips that you talk about, and then just work in that keyword of YouTube and growth and then 2020, right? It doesn't have to be that exact order, right? The search engine optimization it knows the words, and it could be in different orders, all right? Just some people think it has to be the exact one. It doesn't, right? But I do recommend having your main keyword or phrase, right, in the title directly, within the first, I'd say 40 to 50 characters of your title, right? Because that's where they would read, and more people would read on that side as well, the left side. And then also always mention that in their first couple of lines on your description. And also you want that main keyword to be on the first tag. Data has shown that actually helps you outrank that. All right, guys? So remember this, YouTube's algorithm could only read the metadata, meaning the titles, tags, descriptions, and the files and things like that, right? But it can't read your video, but it can also read your subtitles. So as long as you say that in your video, the subtitles will have those keywords written down. Does that make sense? All right, guys, so I want to make sure you guys understand this. I want to know how you guys optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags. All right, just comment down below. Curious to see what I missed and what other people are using. Okay, look forward to tip number 16, right? 11 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning. It will go over what types of content you can use on YouTube that will work on YouTube, right? So stay tuned. 7 types of content that will work on YouTube. And if you do like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe with the notification bell. And like I said, leave a comment down below on the question I asked about how do you optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions. Peace out, guys.